Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 6, trigonometry. Before we are going to see exercise 6.3, first we will revise the formulas in exercise 6.1 and exercise 6.2. Basic trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. For that formula is sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Then cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Next, we will see that reciprocal ratios. A sin theta reciprocal is 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Next, we will see the table, that is trigonometric ratios of some special angle. What are the special angle is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. This side it is ratios. Ratios is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. First we should that sin 0 degree value is 0. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Already I explained that video class. The cos theta ratios is how we write it is. That is reversed. Here it is what you are having. Sin 90 degree value is 1. That can be written as cos 0 degree. That is 1. Here it is sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. That can be cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Next this one is 1 by root 2. Next here it is 1 by 2, 0 degree. Cos 90 degree value is 0. Next one is tan theta. Tan theta is formula is there. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That means you should divide these two. So 0 by 1 the value is 0. 0 by 1 is the value is 0. Then 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. When you simplify, you will get it as 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degree. Then tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Here it is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. So here you should write it as not defined. This is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, the reciprocal for cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. So you should change the reciprocal for sin values and write it here 0. So how do you write this one is 0 means 0 by 1. When you change the reciprocal, it is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Here change the reciprocal is it is 2 by 1. It can be written as 2. Next, when you change this 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 by 1. It is root 2. Here root 3 by 2. When you change the reciprocal, it is 2 by root 3. Here 1. 1 means 1 by 1. When you change the reciprocal, you will get again 1 only. Then secant theta. Secant theta reciprocal is 1 by cos theta. That means you change the reciprocal in cos values. Here cos 0 degree value is 1. 1 means when you change the reciprocal it is 1 by 1. So value is 1. Then here root 3 by 2. When you change the reciprocal, what it is? 2 by root 3. Here 1 by root 2. Change the reciprocal, you will get root 2 by 1. It is root 2. So 1 by 2. Change the reciprocal, it is 2 by 1. It means 2. Here 0. 0 means 0 by 1. When you change the reciprocal, it is 1 by 0. So that means not defined. Next, cot theta. Cot theta reciprocal is 1 by tan theta. That means tan ratios you should change the reciprocal. Tan 0 degree value is 0. 0 means what? 0 by 1. It is change the reciprocal, it is 1 by 0. That is not defined. Here 1 by root 3. When you change the reciprocal, it is root 3 by 1. The value is root 3. 1 means 1 by 1. When you change the reciprocal, you will get the same value. It is 1. It is root 3 by 1. It means root 3 by 1. When you change the reciprocal, it is 1 by root 3. Not defined means 1 by 0. When you change the reciprocal, it is 0 by 1. The value is 0. Next, we are going to see the topic is trigonometric ratios for complementary angle. In this exercise, you are having some formulas. The formulas is, it is based on complementary angles. Complementary means a 90 degree. So, sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. The formula is sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Then cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. That is change this one. Sin comes means cos, cos comes means sin. Likewise, next one is cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 degree minus theta. Then secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 degree minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. In complementary angle, the relation is sin comes means cos. Likewise, here cosecant means secant come. The secant means cosecant. Here it is a tan comes cot. Cot is equal to tan. Next, we will see that exercise 6.3. Find the value of the following. The first question is cos 47 degree divided by sin 43 degree the whole square plus sin 72 degree divided by cos 18 degree the whole square minus 2 cos square 45 degree. That question here I am written. The solution, when you see this one here cos 47 degree. Instead of this, here listen, the cos I am written the same. Instead of 47 degree, I am subtracting with 90. 90 minus 43, answer is 47. 90 minus 43 is 47. So, instead of 47, I am writing here 90 minus 43. Divided by, in denominator, what they written in the question, that one I am written as it is, sin 43 degree. So, you should change only in the numerator. If you not change in the numerator, you can change in the denominator. Any one place only you can change like that. So cos 47 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 43 divided by sin 43 degree the whole square plus likewise the same sin I am written as it is. Instead of 72, I am subtracting what the 90 degrees. So 90 minus 18 is 72 answer. So I am writing that one as 90 minus 18 divided by cos 18 degree, that as it is in that question. The whole square they given, that one I am written. Minus 2 into cos 45 degree. In trigonometric table ratio some special angles, cos 45 degree value you know. What is that cos 45 degree value? It is 1 by root 2. So that one here I am written. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square. For these and all we don't know the values 47, 72. Particular 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree values only we know. So that value if they given, the value we can write it. For this and all we don't know the values. For this we are going to use that complementary angles formula. Next is equal to, here the formula is cos 90 minus theta. What is that cos 90? Now I told the complementary angles formula. No, cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. Here see this one. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So instead of this, here I am using it as sin. What in theta place what you are having? 43. So that can be written here 43. So sin 43 divided by sin 43 the whole square plus the same formula sin 90 minus theta. What is sin 90 minus theta? Formula is cos theta. In theta place what you are written in that question here? 18. So cos 18 divided by cos 18 the whole square minus 2 into, here it is 1 by root 2 the whole square. You square this one. 1 square is 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 the whole square. Root 2 the whole square can be written as root 2 into root 2. What is this answer? Already many times I explained that answer is 2. Here I have written that one as 2. So here 2 get cancelled. Next, here sin 43 degree divided by sin 43 degree cancelled. Cos 18 degree divided by cos cancelled. So here you will have that, when you cancel you will have that 1 the whole square plus likewise here also cancel, it is 1 square minus here 2 get cancelled, remaining you are having 1. So 1 square, 1 into 1 is 1, plus likewise here also 1, minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1. Answer is 2 minus 1 is 1. Second question, cos 70 degree divided by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree divided by sin 31 degree plus cos theta divided by sin 90 minus theta minus 8 cos square 60 degree they given. Solution. Here I am going to change only in the numerator place. So cos as it is, instead of 70 can be written as 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20 value is 70, no? So 90 minus 20 divided by, here I am not changing in the denominator, sin 20 degree plus cos, for 59 is I am writing is 90 minus 31. 90 minus 31 is 59 degree divided by sin 31 plus here cos theta. This is direct formula. Sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Formula is directly. So you write this one cos theta minus 8 into cos 60 degree value. No, cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, here square is given. So the whole square. Next is equal to, what is the formula for cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. In theta place what you are having? 20. So sin 20 degree divided by sin 20 degree plus cos 90 degree minus theta is formula is sin theta. In theta place here you are having 31. So sin 31 divided by this one as it is sin 31 plus cos theta get cancelled. Answer is 1 minus 8 into here whole square. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 square. 2 into 2 is 4. When you cancel in 4 table it is 1 time. This one is 2 times. Next here both are get cancelled. So it is 1 plus likewise here also both are get cancelled. Answer is 1. This one already written this. So here you should write that one. 1 minus here it is when you cancel you will get 2. So this can be written as 2. You add this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. Third question, tan 15 degree into, this means into tan 30 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 75 degree. This is given. The question is I am written. Solution. Here see this one, how I am arranging is, you add the degree 15 plus 30. What you will get? 15 plus 30 is 45 degree. I want that one 90 degree. 15, what number we can add? You will get 90 degree. See here 15, here 75. So when you add, you will get a 90 degree. No, that one I am closely written here. Tan 15 degree. Next one is tan 75 degree. Next 30 and 60. When you add, you will get it is a 90 degree. So that one I am written as closed. Tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree. Next one is the tan 45 degree. That one I have written last. All are into no, so wherever you can arrange it. Next, here see this one, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree. How we written in that before question, that is divide process. Here it is multiplication. This one can be changed, another one as it is. So here I am changing is tan. Instead of 15, 90 minus 75 is 15. So I am written here 90 minus 25 is 15. This one I am written. Next tan 75 as it is. Likewise here also. 30 degree I am changing. Tan 30 degree can be written as 90 minus 60 is 30. No? So here I am written 90 minus 60. Next one is tan 60 as it is. Tan 45 degree in the table we know tan 45 degree value is 1. So here 1 I am written. Next. Tan 90 minus theta formula is cot theta. In theta place we are having a 75. So cot 75 into tan 75 as it is. Likewise here formula is using tan 90 minus theta is formula is cot theta. In theta place here you are having a 60. So cot 60 degree into tan 60 degree. This 1 into 1. Next one. Cot 75 degree into, here I am changing that reciprocal formula. What is tan reciprocal is cot. That one is tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Next one, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So here I am changing the tan. So tan 75 can be written as 1 by cot 75 into cot 60 I am written as it is. Tan 60 can be written as reciprocal as formula is 1 by cot 60 into 1. Here get cancelled. Note that this is numerator, this one is denominator. So cancel, you will get 1 into, likewise here also cot 60 divided by cot 60 get cancelled into 1. Already 1 is there, no, into 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is answer is 1. Fourth question. Cot theta divided by tan 90 degree minus theta plus cos 90 minus theta into tan theta secant 90 minus theta the whole divided by sin 90 minus theta into cot 90 minus theta into cosecant 90 minus theta. Solution. Here cot theta as it is. This is direct formula. Tan 90 degree minus theta formula is cot theta. So formula directly I am written. Plus this is also direct formula. Cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. So formula I am written into tan theta as it is into secant 90 degree minus theta. This is formula is cosecant theta. The whole divided by, like this here, sin 90 degree minus theta can be written as cos theta. This is formula. Then cot 90 minus theta is tan theta formula into cosecant 90 minus theta is formula is secant theta. Then cot theta get cancelled. Answer is 1 plus here tan theta get cancelled. The remaining I am written as sin theta into cosecant theta divided by cos theta into secant theta is equal to that 1 plus, you see this one, both are, it is a reciprocal relation. So sin theta cosecant theta. So that one is sin theta I am written as it is. Then cosecant theta is I am changing as a reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. The whole divided by cos theta I am written as it is into secant theta I am changing the reciprocal is 1 by cos theta. So sin theta it cancel. Here cos theta get cancelled. So here you will get that one as 1. All are cancelled means you will get 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 2. Thank you students.